Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create the iconic bangs or just add hair for our Wednesday doll's wig. To start, you'll need about 26 pieces of black yarn, each cut to approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches long. We need to prepare all these pieces before we begin attaching them. Now, let me show you the technique for inserting the hair. Insert your hook from the outside into the inside of the wig cap. Take one piece of yarn, one string, and fold it in half, creating a loop. Use your hook to grab this folded loop and pull it through the stitch. Next, pull both loose ends, the two tails, through that loop on your hook, similar to how you would finish a slip knot or make a basic single crochet stitch. Pull firmly to tighten and secure the strand. We need to place these strands densely, so you'll be inserting 2 strings into each 13 loops along the front section, where the bangs should sit. Once all 26 pieces of yarn have been inserted, your fringe will be full and ready for styling. Now, we can trim the bangs to your desired length. Remember, you can modify the length and shape exactly as you like. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Happy crocheting!